Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. It's my third day in Taiwan and I had the extreme luck of being in the country while it was experiencing its strongest typhoon in 8 years. And the worst part is, I didn't know it was that bad until I went out myself. I'm not kidding. In this vlog, I'll take you around Taipei's tourist destinations like the Longshan Temple and Bopilia Historical Block during Typhoon Gaemi. I'll also give you a peek of my hotel room and its amenities, so be sure to watch till the end. Hi guys, I am waiting for a train to Longshan Temple. Actually, there's a typhoon today, so they should recommend it. It's not recommended to go out. But I didn't want to be stuck inside my hotel room, so here I am. There's like literally no one around on this train. And what I like about their trains here is that they really will tell you the time. So right now it's gonna take about 9 minutes and 50 seconds for the next train to arrive. So yeah. For my third day here, I initially booked a walking tour with Tour Me Away, a group that does free walking tours for foreign backpackers in Taipei. I booked their evening tour to Mengxia Park, Bopilia Historical Block, Herbal Alley, and Longshan Temple. Unfortunately, the tour was cancelled because of the bad weather. Of course, being the adventurous person that I was, I went out despite the warnings to stay indoors. The Longshan Temple was built in 1738 by settlers from Fujian during the Qing rule in honor of Guan Yin. It served as a place of worship and gathering for Chinese settlers. I've been to a lot of temples in Thailand, but I was still amazed at the architecture and the intricate designs of Longshan Temple. Walking around, there's a typhoon, so it's not recommended that here we are. I don't want to be stuck in my hotel, and I'd rather see beautiful sights. And everything, guys, is I've just followed Google Maps, so. My next destination was the Bopilia Historical Block, which is a historic street made almost completely of 1 or 2 brick buildings, many dating over 200 years ago. This area was one of the earliest commercial districts in northern Taiwan and has plenty of museums, shops, food options, and art exhibitions. Unfortunately, they were all closed because of the typhoon. Hi guys, so a lot of the places are closed today because of the typhoon, but rain or shine, this Delulu Queen is going to walk around. I have an umbrella, let's make the full most of it. This is Bopilia Historical Block. So I read some of its history over there, and it's really nice to see that a historical place like this was renovated and basically just fixed with the help of people from their community. So I read signs here, so it's really nice to have that. Hi guys, so I'm gonna check out na sa hotel, pero before that, let me show you the room. I think wala mo na ako napakita sa room sa pag-abot na ako kay kikapoy ko sa biyahe unya. I thought na okay, since first time ako sa Simanding, let's try to explore, let's try the food, dumplings and then kung ikaw ko try sa mga xiaolongbao, stinky tofu and all that, pero i-try na to na siya unya. Karon, I think before ko mo check out, I think the best time to explore kay I guess nag-clean up po gamay para po dili ta makasabaan char. Kusabuan nga nagbayad man ta. Anyways, ang room nako is good for 2 siya, pero since solo travel man ko, so ako lang also of course solo nako a room. So twin beds ni siya para kung i-put together. So para usad ako akong bed. What does this room have? A TV. It has a toilet. What else? My telephone pod, my desk, my wardrobe, ug na siya fridge. Napod siya blow dryer. Something it also has, they give you free 2 water bottles every day. So, napod siya tea, kanay tea bag. Danon kaya na ako, no? Pinoy magdala. There's tissue and there's a water heater. So, let's see the toilet, no? So, ang toilet na siya'y heater. So, notice ako din kay the more nga kusgon ang water, ang agas sa tubig, mas kusog po ang init sa tubig. So, medium lang ako ang agas kay gusto ko something warm, pero di ko gusto ka ng sobrang kainit nga makapaso, no? So, what does the toilet have? Naa siya towels. So, 2 towels o kanang face towels. Tapos siya tissues. They do housekeeping every day. Mga 2 p.m. So, muna siyang shower, guys. Na siya mirror. Apoy saksakan sa CR. That comes with toiletries. Like, na siya toothbrush and toothpaste. Na po siya sudlay, shaver, sa kani floss, o cotton bud. So, typically what you get in a hotel. Downside lang siguro para sa ako aning hotel, no, kay hugaw ang carpet. Kanang old and musty siya. So, you can tell na pretty old hotel na siya. Pero, so far for me, okay lang naman kasi gin maglakaw. Medyo affordable po siya for me. Considering na location niya is nice in the middle of Simanding. Doon po siya sa Siman na station. So, doon po siya sa Longshan, Taipei main station. So, accessible na siya, which is what I'm looking for, especially when nag-travel ko and solo traveling ko. Madali na kumasag. I need somewhere na doon lang, accessible lang for me. Another thing that I got in this room, I specifically asked for, was a window. Okay, I've had enough of hotels na wala windows, guys. Kanang, dili na ako na kaya. It's so weird not having a proper sense of time because I need to wake up with the sunlight. Okay, of course, gonna fix na akong sleeping schedule. So, what really helps is seeing the sunlight. So, for me, I specifically asked for a window. They said, walay bathtub kung na window. Pero okay na, guys, kaya di na ako kailang bathtub. Kailangan ako bintana. So, muna siya, guys. This is my room.
The hotel checkout was 12 noon, but my flight wasn't until 10 p.m., so I secured my luggage and left it at the hotel lobby. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video where I tour you around Taipei's bustling Ximending. See you and carpe diem. Go and seize the day.